Are you ready to transform your home into a hauntingly elegant masterpiece this Halloween? Picture this, a fireplace mantle that instantly sets the spooky mood, eerie yet classy, chilling yet inviting. In this video, we're diving deep into some jaw-dropping Halloween fireplace mantle decor ideas. If you're someone who loves creating a festive atmosphere without going over the top, this one's for you. So what's the secret to designing the perfect mantle this Halloween? Stay tuned. How can I set a Halloween theme for my fireplace mantle? The key to setting the perfect Halloween theme for your mantle lies in deciding the type of atmosphere you want to create, whether spooky, elegant, or whimsical. Choose a focal point. Start by selecting a focal point like a mirror or a large haunted portrait. It draws attention to the mantle and sets the tone for the rest of your decor. Layer in creepy details. Add items like cobwebs, black candles, and skulls to infuse that spooky feel while still keeping it sophisticated. Incorporate lighting. Use orange string lights or LED candles to give your mantle a mysterious glow, perfect for Halloween night. If you love these ideas, hit that like button and share your favorite focal point for a spooky mantle in the comments below. What color schemes work best for Halloween mantle decor? The color scheme is critical in creating a cohesive and visually stunning Halloween mantle. It determines whether your decor looks eerie or festive. Classic black and orange. The traditional combination always works. Use black candle holders with orange pumpkins or garlands to highlight the theme. Neutral Gothic elegance. If you prefer a more subtle look, try whites, grays, and blacks. Add silver skulls, gray cobwebs, and white pumpkins for an upscale Gothic aesthetic. Jewel tones for luxe. For a more opulent vibe, deep purples, greens, and golds bring a moody, luxurious twist to the usual Halloween colors. Want more color scheme ideas? Check out the playlist in the description for a complete guide to Halloween decor. How can I incorporate natural elements into my Halloween mantle design? Adding natural elements can ground your spooky theme while also bringing warmth and texture to the design. Dried flowers and twigs. Drape dried branches and flowers, like black roses or even wheat stalks, to add texture and volume to your setup. Pumpkins and gourds. Incorporate real or faux pumpkins in various sizes, painted black or white for that classic Halloween feel. Spooky garlands. Create a garland using dried leaves or vine wreaths for an organic, witchy look. Drape it over the mantle for an earthy, natural touch. Love the idea of natural decor? Leave a comment below telling us how you'd incorporate nature into your Halloween mantle. What accessories add the finishing touch to a Halloween mantle? The devil is in the details. Accessories bring everything together and can really make or break your mantle display. Candles and lanterns. Add various sizes of black candles or lanterns with flickering LED flames to cast shadows and create an eerie ambient. Skulls and spiders. Strategically place faux skulls, skeleton hands, or spiders around your decorations for a creepy, authentic touch. Crystal balls or cauldrons. For a witchy vibe, add a crystal ball or mini cauldron to the center of your mantle for an otherworldly feel. For a list of the products seen in this video, check the description below and get everything you need to recreate this spooky setup. How can I make my Halloween mantle decor stand out? Make your Halloween mantle stand out. It's all about balancing statement pieces with personal touches. Unique centerpieces. Invest in one or two striking centerpieces, like a life-size raven or a Gothic candelabra, to immediately grab attention. Personalized signage. Create custom Halloween signs with fun or spooky quotes like "Enter if you dare" or "Beware of ghosts." Balance and symmetry. Arrange your items symmetrically or asymmetrically to create either a visually pleasing or intentionally chaotic design. For more unique ideas to make your decor pop, check out more videos in the description. So, there you have it. Several spine-chilling yet stylish ways to transform your fireplace mantle into the ultimate Halloween centerpiece. Whether you're aiming for spooky elegance or fun fright, these tips are sure to impress anyone who enters your haunted home. Now, what are you waiting for? It's time to get started and let your mantle become the spooky star of your Halloween.